It sat months before I tried it out as plasma cutter, and stick welder, works fine. Next is to rent a tank from McCarb, our local gas guy, _A+ people, and try the TIG feature. In only a few weeks of use this unit has proven to be a good value. Plasma cutter is a blast. TIG is a little challenging since the foot pedal is back-ordered. Stick welding with E6013 DCEN has worked well in practice. I have not tried CEP or E6010 yet. This seems to be a great value for the home shop and lots of fun for perfecting skills. June 13, 2019 I received a foot pedal the other day, which is making it easier to TIG weld. Great HF starting with little to no current, ~10A or 10% to 15% of pedal current setting. Customer service is great. I did a little E6010 using CEP with only marginal results because the steel was a little rusty, hand brushing only, and I was just looking to tack together a windscreen for some stainless steel TIG welding. The TIG torch head seems to be a little misaligned since the tungsten does not appear to stick out centered in the nozzle with a variety of collet body type/configuration. I will upgrade the torch head if this continues to bug me. The hose/cable seem to be okay, and with the pedal I no longer need a torch head with a switch. I got this CT520DP in October of 2018 for the price you cannot beat it. It cuts really good. I have cut up to 1/2 inch plate and thin 1/8 inch plate. Of course, the thicker the steel, more air current adjustments you need. At this point I have not had any issues. I needed the foot pedal for TIG and called the number for PrimeWeld and got message. Mike called me back in about 10 minutes and got that shipped to me. I honestly believe he and PrimeWeld will bend over backwards to help their customers' question. If you are getting started in welding and steel cutting, why not give this company a good consideration? I tried 2 other brands of machines. I thought they left a lot to be desired. This one takes the cake. I love this thing, it cuts like a champ. It does everything it says and just feels like a whole lot more machine than what is there. Very lightweight and portable. Plug in anywhere. It is an awesome machine. I have used it to run 8 runs at 1/4 with no trouble. I have cut as thick as half with no trouble. I bought this mainly to cut. On 110 volts it spits and putters, but it will cut. On 220 volts, oh my! This thing cuts anything I throw at it. Angle iron, sheet metal, and even an old rusty railroad spike. I am too lazy to read, but with a few iterations I was able to get clean cuts on 24 gauge painted sheet metal from my scrapped workbench. See my pictures. I used a circle jig from a cheap offshores company. Not too shabby for a guy new to plasma cutting. This thing cuts fast and clean. I am not a good welder. Click link in description for more reviews.